Welcome back to Ride Class. If you're an experienced rider or just getting back in the saddle after a few years, this video is made just for you. Today, we're diving into 5 affordable motorcycles that senior riders absolutely enjoy. These bikes offer great comfort, smooth riding, and timeless charm without giving you back pain or burning a hole in your pocket. Whether you ride for leisure or nostalgia, these bikes are worth every mile. 1. Honda Rebel 500. First on our list is the Honda Rebel 500, a bike that balances classic cruiser styling with modern engineering. It's incredibly lightweight, low to the ground, and has a smooth 471cc parallel twin engine that won't overwhelm senior riders. The seating position is relaxed, with mid-mounted pegs and a soft seat that makes long rides enjoyable. Maintenance is minimal, fuel economy is impressive, and it just feels easy. 2. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Up next is the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a bike that brings retro vibes and smooth city cruising together perfectly. This bike is extremely senior-friendly, thanks to its upright ergonomics, comfortable seat, and low seat height. It's powered by a single-cylinder engine that's not meant to race but to relax. You get a calm, thumpy ride that reminds you why you started riding in the first place. Add to that its affordable price tag and classic design, and the Meteor 350 becomes an ideal choice for riders who value simplicity and character. 3. Yamaha V-Star 250. Don't let the size fool you. Yamaha's V-Star 250 has been a favorite of older riders for decades. This lightweight V-twin cruiser gives off big bike vibes but keeps things mellow and easy to handle. It's especially perfect for those who want that classic American cruiser look without dealing with the weight of a full-size Harley. It's fuel-injected, reliable, and comfortable even for those who haven't ridden in years. 4. Kawasaki Vulcan S. For those who want a little more power without sacrificing comfort, the Kawasaki Vulcan S hits the sweet spot. With its 649cc parallel twin engine derived from the Ninja 650, the Vulcan S offers smooth acceleration and low-end torque perfect for city cruising or weekend touring. What makes it shine for seniors is the ErgoFit system, which allows the handlebars, foot pegs, and seat to be adjusted to your body type. 5. Suzuki TU250X. Rounding out our list is the Suzuki TU250X, a lightweight, retro-styled standard motorcycle with charm for days. Its air-cooled, fuel-injected 249cc engine is ideal for slow cruises and scenic routes. It looks like something out of the 70s, but rides like a modern machine. Seniors who rode in their youth often feel instantly at home on the TU250X with its upright riding position, minimal vibration, and nostalgic aesthetics. It's an ideal Sunday ride bike that turns heads without trying too hard.